Hi everyone, this is how to disable or remove the fingerprint unlock on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. To do this, let's go to settings and let's scroll down until we see security and privacy. Tap on that and then you need to go to the fingerprints menu. There are two ways to do this. First is to tap on the lock screen item and tap on fingerprints, and the second is go to security section and tap on biometrics and then tap on fingerprints item, and then you have to unlock your screen. I have pattern, maybe you have pin code or password, never mind, just unlock your screen. And now you have just toggle off this fingerprint unlock switcher, and the screen is no more protected by fingerprint. Let's see how it works. Swipe to unlock, and now I have only draw my pattern to unlock the screen without the fingerprint. Also, you can remove the protection by removing all fingerprints. I have only one scanned fingerprint, so I can tap on it, then tap on remove, confirm my action, and I have no scanned fingerprints anymore, and thus the protection doesn't work. But I don't recommend you to remove your fingerprints, because if you have more than one, it will be confused to remove one by one, and then if you want to turn the feature back to scan one by one again. So just toggle off and toggle on, it's much better way. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and have a nice day. Bye.